Welcome back to another episode of What's Cooking here at Carroll Lutheran Village, starting with Kevin.
Hi, we're going to be doing shrimp lo mein today.
And we're very excited about it.
Can't wait. So we now have 3 Kevins on property, and you'll just have to sort of figure a little bit out as to which one is which. So for today we're going to be doing shrimp lo mein. What I have is a saute pan that I'm heating up. I'm going to add a little bit of oil, and you want it to shimmer a little bit and just get good and hot before you add anything. And I like to start with some chopped ginger and a little bit of minced garlic. And I was once told, never be afraid of the garlic. And I'm just going to soften that up just a tiny little bit. Now what we did for the lo mein to make it a little bit easier is we pre-cooked our shrimp so that it'll go a little bit faster. So now that I've got those cooking and softening up, I'm going to add about a 1/4 cup of shredded carrots. And I'm adding my carrots first because they're going to take the longest to cook. Then I'm going to add some julienne white onion. Thank you, Kevin.
Anytime, Kevin. Great job, Kevin.
Thanks, Kevin. And we're just going to saute that down a little bit.
That smells really good.
Can't wait to eat some, Kevin.
Me too, Kevin.
We're going to add, again, about another 1/4 cup of sliced mushrooms. And now that that's going, I'm going to add a little bit of our Asian brown sauce. And that just gives it a little extra moisture to help cook up the vegetables. Get that coated. I'm going to now add some shredded cabbage, because I like to keep the cabbage a little crunchy, so I add that towards the end. And when I add that, I'm also going to add in our pre-cooked shrimp.
The cabbage will definitely give it some nice texture.
And we use the 7190 smaller shrimp for this. And again, just about a 1/4 to a 1/2 cup of that. A couple of quick tosses. And now I just put in my lo mein noodles that we had pre-cooked. Stir that around a little bit, coating the noodles with the sauce. And that's all there is to it for a stir fry. So now we just take it, put my noodles down, get some of my vegetables and shrimp. And a nice, fast, easy lo mein stir fry that you can enjoy in the bistro and the cafe on Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. And remember, this dish has been Kevin made,
Kevin tested,
And Kevin approves.
We thank you and please join us, and we hope you enjoy this video.